Hi, good morning. Welcome to Specialty Toys Network Training. Today we're going to be looking at the CSV Import tool for adjusting your gift wrapping options for your products. So let's jump right in on it. Let's say you have a product on your cart and you want to add gift wrapping options for it. First thing we want to do, this yo-yo here doesn't have gift wrapping, so we'll just go to our back end, log in, and then go to the shopping cart. I want to make sure that our configuration settings are set to allow it first. So we'll go into our admin store under the global tab, the price option here. Offer gift wrapping, yep, we've got it enabled and we're at $1. So we just need to add it for that product. We'll go around here to our list of products. Let's search for that yo-yo. Here it is, the Aerospin yo-yo. Open it up. And we'll scroll down a little bit and add gift wrapping. We say yes and save it. Go back to the front end here and we'll just refresh the page. Easy as that, we can now offer gift wrapping for that particular product to our customer for $1. Very cool. But let's say you've got 600 products, 2,000 products, 5,000 products, whatever it is, and you want to start offering gift wrapping for everything. That could take a little while to go in there and open each product and check it. So let's look at how to do that. Today's trick is going to be how to do that with the CSV Import Export function. So we'll go back to our back-end administration, and I'll show you how we get here from the home. We're going to the shopping cart. This time we're going to go to the product CSV Import Export. Before we do that, though, I want to remind you, everybody, to make a backup. So we'll go to Product Backup, make a backup. That way, if we make any changes or errors, we've got a saved version there. The other thing we want to do is make an offline backup. So we'll go to Product CSV Import Export there. And this time, we're going to use an export to CSV, our settings here on the right side. So we'll just say Default Ordering, include all my column headers. I'll leave my delimiters to the defaults. And this is going to be for a local backup. That way, if you get something messed up, you can always send this file to CSV and we'll help you get it all straightened out. So I'm just going to save this file. Good as that. We've got that file saved. I'm going to go ahead and close my downloader there. Now let's look about updating all those products. Again, I'm going to make another export, but this time I'm going to be working in Excel, so I'm just going to change my delimiters to the common Excel format. Again, I'm going to leave default ordering, include column headers, so these four settings, 1, 2, 3, 4, those checks, and we'll export a file. This time, in Firefox allows me to open it directly into Excel, i.e. you'll need to save it and then open it. So we're just going to open this with Excel. Now I've got my Excel file here with all the data columns here. I'm just going to change this to make it a little bit easier for me to see. And the main ones I need are the product SKU, which is required for every synchronization. That's the key ID. And in this case, I want to select and get rid of a bunch of columns here. So I'm just going to delete these columns, and I don't need all these. I'm looking for, whoops, I cleared the content, so I'm going to delete those cells actually. Let's delete those. Gift wrap, this column here. So we'll get rid of everything else. Gift wrap. So I see I've got several products in this gift wrap column that have N or no, not available for gift wrapping. So I'm just going to scroll back up here. You can see I've got, let's see, about 735 products in my cart. So scroll back up to the top and I'm going to say copy that field. And I want to just zip down here at the bottom and select all these all the way to the top. And paste. Now I'm going to say everything in my cart is going to be offerable for gift wrap. Now there may be a couple SKUs in there that you want to change. You can go in there and manually just type those out. Say these three. Let's assume we know what we're doing on which one's enter. And now we're going to save this file. Save as. We want to select our CSV, and it's, if you scroll down from the top, it's the first CSV option, CSV comma delimited. I'm just going to save this file as, let me see here where I want to save it. That should work fine. Local folders temp. Oh, need to give it a file name. We'll call this cart gift wrap. Save that. It says a couple options here saying you can't save it as Excel options. We'll say, yeah, that's fine. Okay, just minimize that CSV file. Now we're back over to our backend admin. Now we want to import those settings. So we're back here, in our import, CSV import, export options again. This time we're going to import. So we use the left-hand side. Again, we want our Excel delimiter and field enclosure settings. This time I'm going to do an update existing products. That way I won't accidentally create any new products. I'm going to leave my other settings, the options how they were. I'm going to browse for an upload. Now let's see, that temp file, where did I put that? Where did I put my file? Let me just go save another version here. Save it on the desktop this time. That'll help me out. So I'm back to importing here. Go to my desktop. I've got 6,000 files. We're going to do cart gift wrap CSV. That's the one. So we'll open that file. And here we go. We've got that file located, so we're going to submit. We'll see a preview here. We've got my SKU, the required field, and gift wrap set to everything. We're seeing the first 5 columns. Everything looks right. So continue upload. It says 734 products were updated with that new setting. So we're done. As quickly as that, we've adjusted all of the products in our cart to have gift wrapping enabled, except for those 3 that we changed the no to. So that's a really quick way to use, again, the CSV import export tools to adjust the gift wrap options for your cart. Thanks again, and we hope you have a great day with Specialty Toys Network.